Okay, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the place you are watching me from. Okay, this is Ambi Fresh, okay, your DIY mama. And today I'm going to teach you how you can produce your own perfume at home in a cheap price and it will last for you. Okay, like this is my perfume. I bought this perfume, the raw perfume for 300. The raw perfume, and it contains three types of perfumes, Cindy and others. Three. You can customize your own, okay? And this 300 naira. Are you getting me? So, and I bought ethanol, that's methanol, yes. I bought methanol for 100 naira, as you can see. So I'm producing my own perfume, my own customized perfume, just with chickeny money, 400 naira. And it's going to give you what you want. And in this raw perfume, I put a pinch of menthol so that the perfume will perfume, okay? So that it will perfume well. It just a tint small of menthol. That's what I added to this my perfume so that it will come out well. The fragrance will be oozing, okay? So it's just cheap. This 400 naira, and I'm going to produce my own now. So in case you want to produce your own, so the measurement here, let's weigh it so that we can see. Okay, this is 54 gram. The raw perfume is 54 gram. While the ethanol, while the ethanol is the methanol is 95 gram, okay? So you can use ethanol, you can use methanol, but here I'm using methanol, okay? I'm using methanol. That's what I'm using, okay? And it's 95 gram. So what you're actually going to do is that you're going to open your raw perfume and then pour it into your container for mixture, as you can see. So for me not to allow any perfume to be in this container, I'm going to use my methanol to cleanse the bottle, okay? Okay, that is it. And then I'll pour in the remaining methanol inside, as you can see. Wow, the fragrance, the fragrance is wonderful. So that's the secret. You have to combine like 2 to 3 fragrances, okay, so that it will give you a better a better perfume. So that even when you put it, when you wear the perfume, somebody will ask you, where did you buy it, okay? So I'm going to use this thing, this container, to pour it. Okay, let me first of all stir it. Stir it. It doesn't need much stirring, okay? So that is it. The perfume is perfuming. It's very okay. Let me fill it in my containers. Okay. This perfume is it's 400 naira perfume. But go to the market and buy it 400 now. So sometimes it's good for you to produce your own, okay, at small cost, and then enjoy it. So if you get value from this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I'll be giving you values back to back, okay? Mwah. Have a nice day.